Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to change your iPhone passcode to a 6-digit one. It's an easy process, so let's get started. First, we need to open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find Face ID and Passcode, and tap on it. You'll be prompted to enter your current passcode. Go ahead and do that now. Okay, now you should be in the Face ID and Passcode settings. To change our passcode, scroll down again until you see the Change Passcode option and tap on that. Again, you'll need to enter your current passcode. Do that now. Alright. Now, you might already see the screen prompting you to enter a new 6-digit passcode. But if you don't see that, don't worry. Just tap on Passcode options right above the keyboard. Here, you can choose from a few different passcode types. For this video, we want to select 6-digit numeric code. Now, go ahead and enter your new 6-digit passcode. And now you'll need to re-enter it one more time to confirm. Great. After a few seconds, your passcode will be successfully changed. Now that we've changed our passcode, scroll all the way back to the top of the Face ID and Passcode settings. Just double-check that all of your Face ID options are still the way you want them. Once you've checked that, you can exit the Settings app. The next time you lock and unlock your phone, you'll need to use your new passcode. Just keep in mind that you can still use your old passcode for the next 72 hours, just in case you forget your new one. And that's it. You've successfully changed your iPhone passcode to 6 digits. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks for watching Fix Zone. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips.